Hello everyone! In this episode we are going into the world of Electrolux. We've had Hoover, now it's Lux's turn. And what have we got? Well, we've got a 1994 Electrolux Glider 600 plus power with twin fan ESP extra suction power. Very sexy. Always loved the Glider. I think they are fantastic machines. But we need to see how it performs. Will it beat the Turbopower? Will it beat the Constellation? Well, there's only one way to find out. Test. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2. Weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Let us weigh the glider's bag. What have we got? 34 grams. Okie dokie. Oh, 36 grams. 34 grams. 36. 34. We'll call it 35 grams, okay? Right, here we go. Glider, are you ready? Amazon Digital Assistant, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this thing. Alexa, timer, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, stop. There we go. Right, let's weigh this bag again. Well, we started out with 35 grams and now we have 126 grams. Ah, that's pretty good. It's done very well. Well, the glider started off with a dust bag weight of 35 grams and ended up with a bag weight of 126 grams, which means it's our current leader because it managed to pull up 91% of the sand. I think that's done an amazing job. Congratulations, Glider. You are currently in the lead. Couldn't be more proud of you. Electrolux for the win. Boo. I mean, yay. Hoover. That's it for this episode, guys. I will see you next time for the next test. Bye.